Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can blur the face in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open the Picsart in your phone. Now go ahead and choose a photo by tapping on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. Now tap on the person or the picture which you want to edit. What you need to do now is go and hit the FX Effects button. Now hit the blur button and tap on blur. Now what you need to do is go ahead and edit this button. So tap on this button over here and just hit face. You can see that only the face has been blurred now. And after you're done, just hit the tick mark and click on tick mark again. Now hit the save button and hit close. So this is how you blur the face only in Picsart. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.